In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an eBay message to a seller correctly, ensuring you get the most effective response possible, whether you're encountering a problem, need further details about a product, or simply want to ask a question before making a purchase. Clear communication is key. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to log into your eBay account. This is quite straightforward, just enter your username or email along with your password. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll have access to all your eBay functions. Now, find the item listing on eBay that you're interested in. At the top of the listing page, you'll notice the seller's information prominently displayed. If the seller allows pre-purchase inquiries, you should see a link that says Contact Seller. This is your gateway to reach out to them directly with any questions you might have. Click on the Contact Seller link. Next, you'll be taken to a page where various topics related to common inquiries are presented. It's important to choose the topic that most closely aligns with your question or issue because this helps the seller prepare a more focused and relevant response. A few examples of such topics might be questions about shipping, item details, or payment issues. But sometimes the topics might not precisely capture the nature of your question, especially if you have a very specific inquiry. In those cases, you should look for the Contact Seller option again, which is usually located at the bottom of the page. Go ahead and select that to proceed with your unique question. Now you get to the part where you type out your message to the seller. Make sure your message is both clear and concise. Clearly state the reason for your contact, whether you're looking for additional product details, inquiring about an aspect of the item, or addressing a potential purchase concern. Clear communication will help the seller understand your needs better and offer you the necessary assistance faster. Once you've composed your message, select the Send Message option. Before you hit that button, decide if you also want to receive a copy of this message in your email. If so, simply check the option that says Send a copy to my email address. This can be particularly useful if you need to keep track of the correspondence for future reference. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can effectively send a message to an eBay seller, ensuring your concerns and inquiries are communicated clearly and efficiently. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you with your future eBay interactions.